Hey everyone, Morgan and Baby Rogue here. Kid Rogue's over there. They're gonna help me make some homemade crackers today. Ugh. Okay, are we ready to make some homemade crackers? Yeah. All right. Okay, so the recipe's down below in the description, and there's no shortage on crackers or anything, but I thought to myself the other day, I was like, you know what? We eat a lot of crackers around here. Crackers and cheese and meats. I had to think for a second. We eat crackers and dips. We eat a lot of crackers. So I was like, you know what? I bet I could make my own. So I looked it up. And, yep, that's one of the ingredients. Thanks, Kid Rogue. I'll show the ingredients in a second. This does take butter and milk. If you don't have those things, but you have the powdered options, powdered milk, whatever, you could use those substitutes. Also, look online for other substitutes for milk and butter and that kind of stuff, because there are some substitutes for that stuff. So if you don't have exactly what it needs, look for substitutes. Okay, let's get started. All right, so the ingredients are super simple. Honey, butter, salt, baking powder, milk, and flour, of course. All right, Kid Rogue is mixing all the dry ingredients into one bowl, and I'm going to put all the wet ingredients into another bowl. All right, you're supposed to do it in a food processor. I just blended it together in a food processor. Kind of a nightmare here because that was a lot for a tiny little food processor. So if you have one this size, just know you may have to do like half and half and then put it all together at the end or something, because it was like to the brim with this little tiny one. Okay, so once you mix it all together, you're gonna flatten it out. We don't have a roller, so we're improvising with an energy can. You're just gonna roll it out. All right, once you have it rolled out to basically, I would say it says like a specific, size or whatever, but I would try to do it just evenly, try to roll it out to even.
Yes. Yes, kind of. Yes, kind of, Mom.
Okay, do it.
See?
Okay, she's gonna make some shapes. Perfect. Let's get some Play-Doh cutters. If you don't have cookie cutters, just get some Play-Doh cutters. There you go. Good job. That was all Kid Rogue's idea. Good job, honey. She's been up here arranging, and Baby Rogue's just like, I've had it with these crackers. All right, so I'm about to put them in the oven. And gotta poke some holes in them with a knife or a fork, just simple like that. First batch in the oven, and we're making the rest of it, rolling it out, poking the holes, getting it ready for the next. There came out to 2 batches. This is what the first batch looks like. So good. Looks great. Kid Rogue approves. All right, what do you think? Really good. All right, that's it. We decided to make one last big cookie as the last one. So good. Highly recommended. Recipe down below. They're crackers, honey, not cookies. She knows that. She's been chowing down on them. Hey, still hot. Okay. Recipe and link. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to y'all later. Bye.